Do you want some free YouTube video thumbnails? Hi there, it's Wade here, and today I'm actually announcing I've got 6 free YouTube video thumbnails you can download from creatorimpact.com and edit in Photoshop. Now these are easy to use. It's a simple case of downloading the file that you want, unzipping the document, and it comes with fonts that you can install, and then you simply open it up and you can switch out any images, text, colors, anything that you want quite easily, so you can get your YouTube video thumbnails looking a little bit more professional, and you can reuse these templates over and over again if you decide to basically up your YouTube thumbnail game. And we all know the key to getting more attention on YouTube. One of the biggest things you can do is improve your video thumbnails so that they stand out amongst the competition, and that way you get more people being drawn to your videos and clicking and giving your video a chance to perform. So this means more views and more subscribers for your YouTube channel. So we have 6 of these free templates available in a number of styles, so you can choose which one or which few are going to suit you best. All you need to do is head down to the description below and click the link there and sign up for my newsletter. You can unsubscribe at any time, but you'll gain access to these 6 Photoshop templates to use for as long as you want, completely commercial, personal, whatever reasons you have to use them, and basically go from there. So I hope you find those useful, and there's also a link in the description below on how to edit these templates. So if you get stuck, there's a few basic instructions on how you can get the effect you're after. So thanks for watching the video today. I hope to see you again soon, and if you do try out these templates, let me know how you go in the comments below. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll talk to you again soon.